the light that surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far. Created a space. In my head it was empty.
Good morning guys, once again from Tunisia. Today we are going to one of the most famous tourist attraction destination right here in Tunisia. That's right, that has been rated very top on Google and TripAdvisor. The place we are visiting is called Sidi Bou Said. And I do apologize if I have pronounced the name wrong. Now, the information, basically the place is about, let me think. Actually, I'm sorry, I don't know nothing about it because I didn't do my research. I couldn't have access to Google because the Wi-Fi in this room is not very strong. Such a wonderful, valid excuse to be presented before a vlog here. Anyway guys, I'll see you over there. أهلا، هذا حبيبي حسين ما شاء الله من تونس. أريدك أن تقول للكاميرا ما هو أجمل شيء في تونس في رأيك؟
أحسن مدينة سياحية هي الحمامات.
حمامات حمامات.
والثاني هي سيدي بو سعيد.
Guys, we just arrived in Sidi Bou Said. The main theming color is white and blue and it looks absolutely gorgeous. So let's see how it looks like.
Bonjour.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Flower Tunisia. Very good.
Okay. It's okay. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Okay. Let's go. Civilization.
Mosaic, not mosaic.
No, it's okay.
Nothing.
Thank you.
Neither, no. Mondina.
Nice. Coral. This is called coral. We're in Sidi Bou Said.
This coral, red stone.
Yeah.
This coral. Coral.
So it doesn't burn. Okay.
This red color.
Nice. You can see what do you have?
But my first business. How much you give me this one? This present here.
No, we're just looking now.
My first business. But
Yeah.
my first business. Just see
Yeah.
the price. How much you give me this one?
What's the name of this?
مسعود. لا ريلاكس.
Yeah. Ooh. Scary. Okay. That's nice.
ريلاكس comme ça.
Oh, so mess your hair up again.
I hope it doesn't throw anything. Yeah. I'm dead, guys.
Together.
No.
No. Just me.
Comme ça.
أحرك يدي يعني
حرك يدك نورمال. حرك يدك. اي حرك يدك.
There you go. Do 360. هذا طائرتي.
هذا شاهين.
لكن كأنه سيتزلق يعني.
لا كم صحيح نورمال. هكا.
اوكي.
هكا.
جميل.
يمين يسار. نبدل اهبط له شوي لهنا هكا. نبدل يمين يسار. انت ايه لا هكا من هون. من هون.
Any other position?
Le café de délice.
ها؟
كافيه؟
لا لا ما بدي كافيه.
منظر فما منظر من
No, no,
هون.
no,
لا لا
no.
لا ما بدي كافيه. يا اوكي ثانك يو. ها؟ how much do we have?
I don't know.
Hello مسعود ها؟
مسعود
مسعود. أهلاً
مدام هاك 20 فاندينا.
بك. ما عندنا 21 like this.
لا مدام
كده.
زيرو مدام هاك just 20.
We don't have much. Sorry.
كي هاف تشانج كم هاف تشانج ورود ولا
ما عندنا آسف يا.
لا مشكلة.
بس دفعنا كثير هنا.
يا فك وصلت لي انا هذا حاجه محترمه ما يجيبوا شيء حاجه محترمه حاجه به كيف ما يجيبوا شيء حاجه به
هي
I don't know. I don't understand.
okay then. Okay. That's how you do it.
Breathe in the air, the light that surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far. Created a space, in my head it was empty, but I know that I want to be where you are. I was denied. I had spent those years, did not recognize the person that's inside.
So we just stopped at a random place in the middle. We have no idea how we should film this because it's a very big place. We're thinking of just individual photos and taking hyperlapse or time lapse. What's your initial impression of Sidi Bou Said?
It's nice. It looks very pretty, but you have to be wary of being attacked by the shopkeepers. And I don't mean that as a physical attack. I mean that as a buy something type of
That's
attack.
standard, isn't expected in
Yeah.
this kind of place. So we will continue our journey exploring what this place has to offer. So far we found this place, the main highlight is the color, white and blue.
Yeah.
It was like this years and years ago, back to its
And
history.
apparently
It has
it's
changed
supposed
apparently.
to you can only keep it white and blue. You can't change the colors. It's illegal to change the colors.
Yes.
So this is the marina that we could see from all the way above. We've come all the way down. We have no idea how we're going to get back to where we started, but never mind. And these are all close up to the boats.
The story's not over. As I fall, I will continue to get up. I cannot stop because
And then we got this sky.
Hello.
Oh, there's so much energy in that hello.
So tight.
Okay.
I was denied. I had spent those years, did not recognize the person that's inside. We have a purpose, but to take that leap, you must recognize the person that's inside.
We are here in Tunis, the capital of Tunisia. And it's extremely packed.
Believe me, I swear, the story's not over. As I fall, I will continue to get up. I cannot stop because it is over. Live in the moment, living in a quiet place. To be everywhere, to be without a care. person that's inside.